What's going on, stackers? So in this video I'm going to share with you how I made $10,000 plus from Creative Fabrica and affiliate marketing. So welcome back to Stacking Profit. My name's Paddy and over here we give you the tools and resources to learn, grow and master passive income streams so that you can live a life of freedom. Now, like I said in this video, I'm going to share with you how I made $10,000 plus with Creative Fabrica, go over all of my stats and then explain exactly how I did this. So let's head on over to my affiliate marketing account with Creative Fabrica. Now, right off the bat, these are some of my stats. We can see that I've sent 10,000 people, or 10,163 people, and out of those 10,000, 5,317 have purchased through my link, which gives a conversion rate of 52.37%, and I've made $11,209.39. Now, one thing I do want to note really quick, and that is, if you have purchased anything through any of my links, whether that's Creative Fabrica, Canva or anything like that, I just want to say a huge thank you. It's thanks to you, my following, my community, that I can actually go ahead and make money like this. So again, if anyone or any of you have purchased through my links, I just do want to say a huge thank you, and I really appreciate it. Anyway, back to this. So I'm just going to go over some more stats, and then I'm going to explain to you exactly how I made this money with affiliate marketing. Now, like I said, we've just seen the stats just here. We can see some of my campaigns here. The one that's got the most is none set just here, where we can see that I converted at 14%, sent I've sent 6,205 people, unique links, that's 339, converted 915, which is pretty good. Anyway, I wanted to go over to here because now you can see how my income has been growing with affiliate marketing and Creative Fabrica as the years gone by. Now, so far, I have $1,046 in this account, which I can draw out at any time. The thing is with Creative Fabrica, or Creative Fabrica's affiliate program, is once you request a payout, it takes up to 7 days. So if we scroll down to round about here, I am going to blur out my email address for obvious reasons, but if we go down to here, we can see that I always request my earnings on the 7th, as we can see just here, of every month. Now, why the 7th? Because it takes that 7 days to request your payout, which means I get paid out on the 14th of every month, so mid-month every single month. Now here, we can see that it's consistently been growing. So here in 2020, this was 7th of the 11th, so round about a year ago, I made 446 in that month. Now let's scroll up a little bit more, back to here. We can see I made $446, and because I've been focusing on Creative Fabrica or affiliate marketing with Creative Fabrica, we can see that it's been consistently growing throughout the year. Started off around this time last year with $446 per month. That bumped up to $488, then $500, back down to $400, $500. Few months of in the $500 range, and then $600, $800, $900, and then the last 3 months, including this month, I have passed $1,000. Now, one of the reasons that it's been consistently growing is, well, I've been consistently recommending Creative Fabrica for a while now, but another reason is because they have a really great affiliate program. So if you sign up to become an affiliate with Creative Fabrica, you can earn 25% on every single purchase, or 20% per subscriber per month. So right here we can see if someone purchases a font for $18, you can get $4.50 of that. if someone goes through your affiliate link and decides to purchase the subscription, you get 20% of that subscription every single month. So if someone purchases the subscription for $29 and keeps renewing that every single month, then every single month you get $5.80. So if we go over to here, it has slowly been increasing because people have been buying memberships. Now, one of the reasons why I always recommend Creative Fabrica is because I always use it in my own business. I only recommend products and services that I use myself. And because I use Creative Fabrica myself, I recommend it a lot, and they also have this really great affiliate program. Now, let's go over to here to some other stats. We can see some of the purchases that people have been buying through my links. Now, if you stayed along to this far, stay around for a few more minutes because I'm going to explain exactly how I got all of these results. But right here, here's my referrals. We can see that I earned 25 cents just here. Now, I always have a link in my description on my YouTube channel for a $1 trial. Now, if someone gets that $1 trial, I make 25 cents on that $1 trial for the month. Then if they renew at a different price, I get 25% commission on what they actually paid on that subscription. But right here, even when you get someone to sign up completely for free, you can earn 3 cents. Now, these payouts do not look very much at all, do they? Here's a few subscriptions: $3.80, $1.30, $4.06, and then here's some graphics which someone purchased, $1. But like I just said, these commissions are fairly small and they don't look much. But once you start building this up, recommending and sending more and more traffic, these little payouts can soon add up. Now, if we go all the way down to here, you can see all these different payouts. So from the 2nd, here's the 2nd, here's the 3rd of November, from here all the way to there. And then the 4th today so far, oh no, the 4th was yesterday, where I made a few sales, and then the 5th today where I've made a few. And again, these little commissions soon add up, and that's how I got to 10 grand, or should I actually say 11,000 in royalties. No, why am I talking about royalties? It's because I've got KDP on the brain. But this is what I have earned in affiliate commissions from Creative Fabrica. Now, 11,000 doesn't sound a lot, and obviously it's taken me a couple of years to actually get there, because if we go back over to here and scroll down, my first payout was here in 2019, 3rd of the 12th. But then I wasn't very consistent just here at withdrawing my money till round about here. But again, it's taken me since 2019, the end of 2019, to actually make this $11,000. And because I've really been focusing on affiliate marketing with Creative Fabrica, we can see that my income has slowly been increasing as the months go by since round about here. Well, in fact, it's been around about a year since it has been growing, but I've seen consistent growth since the 7th of the 4th this year. So a good few months. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But we can see it's slowly been increasing. Now, how did I actually get these results, and what do I do to make these commissions? Well, it's pretty simple, and it's something that most affiliate marketers will not tell you. The easiest way to make affiliate commissions is to build a following, or like a community, a brand, or just a group of people online somewhere that follow you. That's the most simplest way to make commissions, and that's how I do it. I've built up a following for the Stacking Profit brand over a good few years now, around about 3 years, and this is what allows me to make affiliate commissions. Now, I've personally made this $11,000 all because I have a following. I have a following in multiple different places online. Now, the first one being obviously, and that is going to be here on YouTube. YouTube is the main website or social media platform where I have been growing my following. And then I grow the following here, our community, and then I also build up other places where I can build communities. So YouTube is one of the places where I build a following. Second place being Facebook groups. With our biggest Facebook group just here, this is the Stackers Inner Circle. We now have over 10,000 members. So this is just another place where I can build a following, a community, and connect with people. Now, if you're not already a member, come through and join. There will be a link in the description below because we are currently having a contest. Now, because we've recently reached 10,000 members, I've decided to give away 10 copies of all of our courses. So if this is something that you're interested in, come through, join. It's completely free to do so. Read this pinned post and take part, because you could have a chance of winning all of our courses just here. Anyway, I digress a little bit. I'm talking about how I build my following, the main one being YouTube. Second being Facebook groups, with this one being our biggest. We have a few different ones. Then another place is building an email list. So this is just another place where I can connect with my audience and recommend cool stuff in the process if I choose to. Now, right here, my main email list has 2,366 people. So this is just another place where I can build a following, a community, connect with people, and again, recommend cool stuff in the process. But this is how I go ahead creating my affiliate commissions. It all comes down to building that following first, and that's what most of the gurus will not tell you. It's so much easier to make commissions, affiliate commissions, when you have an audience that you can recommend those products to. Now, like I said, I've been building up a following over the years in multiple different places. My email list, my Facebook groups, and obviously the YouTube channel. So if you too want to make affiliate commissions, this is the best thing that you can do. Build a following, provide value, recommend cool stuff in the process. That's how simple it can be. The problem is not too many people actually want to build a community or a following to actually go ahead and make commissions. Now, me personally, I have been recommending Creative Fabrica for a good few years now, and this is why my income has slowly been increasing. Now again, how do I make commissions with affiliate marketing and Creative Fabrica? Again, it comes down to that following, but I talk a lot about it on the YouTube channel, and I always have links to Creative Fabrica within my descriptions. Now, if we go over to one of my videos just here, and if we scroll all the way down to round about here, we can see the links that I have in my description. We have links to our courses, our newsletter, the Inner Circle, that's the Facebook group. So if you want to come through and join and be a part of that contest, then you can click this link just here and come through and join. But then if we scroll down, we actually have all of our paid courses just here, our free courses, and the tools that I recommend. So I have Canva Pro, I have Creative Fabrica, and Helium 10. See, these are all tools that I use in my own business. It makes things so much easier to make affiliate commissions and recommend products and services if you use those products and services yourself. See, the problem is with YouTube and people trying to make money is that they're trying to recommend products that they have no idea about and they do not use themselves. And because they do not use it themselves, you can really see it when they're trying to recommend it. If you're trying to recommend products and services that you use yourself in your own business, it's a hell of a lot easier to make sales. And again, it just makes things easier. But you can see this is where I have quite a few links to a few different things. Again, because you can use YouTube as kind of your hub for your following and have all these different income streams just from YouTube. Now let's scroll back up to here. Let's go back to roundabout here, because like I said, I do have links in my video descriptions for Creative Fabrica. But I also, if this is going to let me scroll down, it's gone a bit weird. There we go. But I also create videos literally just around Creative Fabrica, recommending the products or fonts or graphics which are on their website. So if we scroll down to here, I think this was probably the last main one that we did. I think, did I just scroll past one? No, I didn't pass one, so yeah, I think it's this one. But look at this. This was a Halloween graphic bundle, and I really liked this bundle. So what I did was made a video around this bundle and then had an affiliate link to that product, and I made affiliate commissions because I spoke about the product in the video. I gave the rundown, shared what you could get in this bundle and how much value you're going to get from this, and then people went through, purchased, and I made affiliate commissions. Again, thanks to anyone and everyone who has purchased something through our links. Without you, none of this would be possible. But that's it. That's what I do. That's how I made $11,000 plus from affiliate marketing with Creative Fabrica. By building that following, providing value, and recommending cool stuff in the process. So if you really want to start making affiliate sales, really think about building a following somewhere online. You can do this on social media platforms. You can build your own email list. You can have your own Facebook groups. You can have your own YouTube channel. You can have your own TikTok. There's so many different places where you can build a following. But you want to build a following, provide value, and then sell cool stuff in the process. Very, very simple stuff. But again, most people aren't willing to actually build that following and provide value. Now, if that's something that you're interested in, let me know, because I'd just love to know if this is what people like. Would you actually like to go ahead and provide value and build a following in any type of niche? Because that's the easiest way that you can make affiliate commissions. Affiliate commissions, and hopefully make this $11,000 plus. But again, you need to build that following. But when you build a following, you can do this with any niche. It doesn't have to be KDP or low content book publishing. Anything that you're passionate about or have a hobby around, you could build a following and make affiliate commissions in the process. Getting my words mixed up. Anyway, I'm going to keep the video there because that's everything that I wanted to cover. If you really want to go ahead and make affiliate commissions, you will need a following somewhere online, because people buy stuff from people they know, like, and trust. If you're sending cold traffic, that's people who don't even know who you are, to products that you don't even know what they are either, in hoping to make affiliate commissions, that's never going to work. Build a following, provide value, and recommend cool stuff in the process. Now, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.